If you're interested in investing and want a straightforward guide to a proven stock picking strategy, you're in the right place. Today, we are breaking down How to Make Money in Stocks by William J. O'Neill, a classic book that's helped countless investors understand what it takes to succeed in the stock market. The CAN-SLIM investing system. O'Neill's most famous contribution is the CAN-SLIM system, a checklist of 7 factors to identify promising stocks. C. Current quarterly earnings growth of at least 25 to 50%. A. Annual earnings growth over the past years of as well, minimum 25 to 50%. N. New products, services, management or fresh market highs. S. Supply and demand dynamics. L. Leaders within their industry, not laggards. I. Institutional sponsorship by large investors. M. Market direction or overall market trend. Together, these criteria help investors spot stocks with the potential for big gains. Focus on quality, avoid being a jack of all trades. The book stresses the importance of focusing on a few high-quality stocks rather than spreading investments too thin. Carefully picking stocks that meet the CAN-SLIM criteria can be more effective than owning many average performers. Mutual funds versus individual stocks and building wealth with mutual funds. While O'Neill shows that investing in individual stocks using CAN-SLIM can outperform many mutual funds, he also explains how disciplined investing in quality mutual funds can help grow wealth over time. By choosing strong funds, averaging down on price tips, and holding long-term, essentially forever, you can benefit from the power of compounding. Key buy and sell rules. One core idea is to buy stocks when they break out to new highs, which signals momentum. Equally important are the sell rules. O'Neill advises selling quickly if a stock falls 7 to 8% below your purchase price to limit losses and protect your capital. Market trends matter. No investing approach works perfectly all the time. The CAN-SLIM system works best when the overall market is trending up. During down or uncertain markets, the book recommends patience, possibly moving to cash or safer assets until conditions improve. Discipline and education are key. Lastly, O'Neill highlights that investing success comes from discipline, ongoing education, and managing emotions. Knowing how to read charts, understand company fundamentals, and follow market behavior helps you make smarter, more confident investment decisions over time. That's a quick summary of how to make money in stocks. Discipline beats luck. For more insights, keep watching and read the book.